What's up, guys? Welcome back to B2 Willis Garage. So I went to open the garage this morning and I realized it wasn't opening up hardly any, maybe like a half inch, and then getting stuck. So I went to inspect it, and as I walked over, I thought, why don't I turn up the force adjustment, which is actually right here behind me. There's a little button on the back that you can turn. Mine is on the far left when I'm facing it from face on. Anyway, so I go to turn that button up and I do get the door to open all the way, but it's really struggling when it does so. So upon further investigation, I realized that this spring here was broken in half. And so I knew I'd burn my motor up really quickly if I kept using the force adjustment all the way up and just forcing it to open. So long story short, what I did is I called my buddy Brian Mills at All American Overhead Garage Door. He came out and I said, hey Brian, do you mind if I record this to teach some people on YouTube how to fix theirs in case they want to do it themselves? They're probably not in your service area. He's like, yeah, Brad, that's cool. So thanks a lot to Brian. Let's learn today how to replace a garage door spring on a garage door. Enjoy.